My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So I am so excited for today's video. So it's gonna be like part one of 2 videos. I'm doing just tutorials with makeup that I bought during the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. But I wanted to do this one separately because I know there are those of you out there who just want to see this gorgeous palette that Huda Beauty just came out with, the Mercury Retrograde palette. Oh, so if you would like to see the look that I created with this, oh my gosh, I like I've only used it once and it's already a hot mess. Story of my life. But oh my gosh, this palette is so gorgeous. Yeah, so this is a cosmic blend of 18 shades and textures, balancing cool and warm tones to deliver infinite possibilities. So it says this palette is filled with easy to use combinations of dusty coppers, rosy pinks, and golden top with pops of purple and blue. Oh, I like that she includes colors that work for all eye colors. Like the coppers and pinks are gonna work well for like blue and green eyes, and then like the purples are gonna look good with like brown eyes. But it features 9 buttery mattes, 6 high shine creamy metallics, 1 glitter powder charged with silver sparkles, and 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows for an out of this world glow. So the formula of this palette reminds me of the new Nude palette, and that's what I was hoping for. I was hoping for the same quality as that palette because that palette was better quality than any of the other palettes she put out previously, and these are just as beautiful. But yeah, this retails for $67, but I got 20% off, thank God. But yeah, if you would like to see this look, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm so excited. We are going to be playing with the Mercury Retrograde palette. This is my first time opening it. Anything. Ooh, I really like the packaging. Here we go. Ooh! So I'm going to take a Sigma E40 and I'm going to go in with UTOPIA. This like light orange right here. But just look at some of these colors. Oh! And we're going to put that in our crease. I really like that color, and these shadows are performing great, just like in the Nude palette. New Nude palette, that's what it's called. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with like a very precise blending brush, and this is Morphe. I think it's 562, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Karma. Ooh, I like that. It's like light brown here. And put that like very tightly in the crease. And go back in with the E40 and blend it out. Like small kind of brush. And I'm gonna see if this one will work. And I'm going to take this gorgeous color, Frazzled, right here. And I'm going to put that in the inner third of my eye. I'm gonna try and do a halo look. And then the outer third. Now I'm going to take some of my NYX glitter glue. I should have put this all over my eye, but I didn't, did I? And put that in the center of my lid. And now I'm going to go in with Gold Glitch. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Yes! You better work, bitch. I'm gonna take some MAC Fix Plus and wet my brush and go back in with Frazzled. Actually, before I do that, I should take my small blending brush in Karma and blend that all together. Take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Earthquake and do a band across my lid. Line my upper waterline with it. And now I'm gonna take, first let me do the lower lash line because I'm gonna use this brush for that first. Ooh, that's what I'll use. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner in Shiny Bronze. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Karma. And I'm also gonna go in with Hot Mess. Just on like the outer portion. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same brush and go in with VORTEX, which is this dark purple, and I'm going to put that over the liner I placed down. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the brow bone using Momentum. I know that actually might be too dark for me. Yeah, that might be more like a transition shade for me. Okay, well, I'll just go in with the Nude Light palette I have sitting right here and go in with that beige because I know that works as a highlight for me. My Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. Okay, so this is going to be part one of a using products I got during the VIB Rouge sale at Sephora. So after I am done finishing the rest of my makeup in that video, I will come back and show you the completed look. Alright. Okay, so here is the completed look. I am feeling everything. The eyes, the face, the outfit. Ooh, this was gonna be part of a future haul, but I was like, no girl, I have to wear this now. I'm sorry. It was just way too cute. But yeah, I'm really feeling this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just like fun using new makeup. Get ready with me and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.